In a world that often pushes us to rely on others for validation, success, or happiness, we are here to challenge that notion. We firmly believe that the greatest strength lies within ourselves, and by tapping into our abilities, we can accomplish remarkable things. In today's video, we'll dive deep into the power of self-reliance, exploring practical strategies, thought-provoking discussions, and inspiring stories that will inspire you to trust in your abilities. Welcome, and let's get started. Making your own choices is a fundamental aspect of self-reliance. As the saying goes, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Whether it's a simple decision like choosing where to have dinner or a more significant choice like prioritizing your sobriety over peer pressure, your ability to make independent decisions is crucial. Taking control of your situation empowers you to lead a life that aligns with your values and aspirations. Remember, he who hesitates is lost. Don't let others dictate your path or sway your judgment. You have your best interests at heart, and only you can truly know what's right for you. Another vital aspect of self-reliance is learning to take responsibility for your actions. When you make a mistake, it's important to acknowledge it and take ownership. Whether it's apologizing for hurting someone's feelings or admitting fault, being accountable demonstrates true self-reliance. Remember, a wise man admits his faults. A fool defends them. Being independent is a hallmark of self-reliance. Embracing your ability to rely on yourself means having a strong sense of independence. Being comfortable with alone time and actively pursuing your goals without constant validation from others showcase your self-reliance. It is often said that if you want something done right, do it yourself. Cultivating independence equips you to navigate life's challenges, even when your support system may not be readily available. One key lesson in self-reliance is understanding that you don't need permission from others to pursue what you want or need. As long as your actions are respectful and safe, you have the power to permit yourself. Don't wait for the winds to blow. It's your ship. Set sail. Trust your instincts, stand strong in your convictions, and give yourself the freedom to pursue what brings you joy and fulfillment. Also, self-reliance encompasses being satisfied with yourself and your surroundings. Remember, happiness is an inside job. Cultivate a strong sense of self-esteem, find contentment within, and embrace the unique qualities that make you who you are. Permitting yourself to be satisfied and at peace with yourself is a vital part of self-reliance. Your recovery is your own, and it's time to fully embrace it. Remember, the only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. Take ownership of your journey and make decisions that will benefit your recovery in the short and long term. But don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Healthy self-reliance requires thoughtful decision-making with a level head. Trust yourself and remember that you have the strength to overcome any challenge that comes your way. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you're enjoying the content. Now, let's explore how you can cultivate more self-reliance in your life. Firstly, permit yourself. Don't wait for others to give you the green light. If you believe that a decision or action will contribute to your well-being and recovery, go for it. Next, it's time to take control. Waiting for someone else to take charge may leave you waiting indefinitely. Set goals that empower you to thrive in your recovery. Take charge of your situation and take the necessary steps towards the life you envision. Finding a balance is also essential. Recovery is an unpredictable journey, and it's crucial to strike a balance between solitude and social connection. When you're alone, use that time for reflection and assess if your actions align with self-reliance. When you're with others, allow them the space to be self-reliant as well. Seek harmony in your interactions and foster a supportive environment. Next, expect challenges along the way. Recovery from trauma and substance use is not easy, and setbacks are inevitable. Anticipate and be prepared for these hurdles. However, it's also important to challenge your expectations. Let go of unrealistic standards that may set you up for disappointment. Embrace the lessons that come from unexpected twists and turns. Understand that the recovery journey will have its calm waters and its choppy waves, and you have the strength to navigate through it all. Being your best friend is also essential. Self-reliant individuals wholeheartedly support themselves and focus on their strengths and achievements. They understand that they are not perfect, but instead of putting themselves down, they make the most of what they have. By embracing self-acceptance and self-empowerment, they become their own biggest advocates. Quiet confidence is also a remarkable characteristic of self-reliant individuals. They don't feel the need to broadcast their positive attributes or prove themselves to others. Instead, they radiate a kind, calm, and collected demeanor. Comfortable in their skin, they exude genuine happiness that is captivating to those around them. Their quiet composure speaks volumes and makes them intriguing and compelling. Self-reliance involves the ability to seek strength from within. Those lacking self-reliance constantly seek acceptance and security from external sources, preventing them from developing the skills needed for self-reliance. While seeking advice from others can be valuable, self-reliant individuals prioritize introspection and problem-solving on their own. By cultivating this skill, they strengthen their independence and resilience. Well, if you're struggling with embracing self-reliance, find someone you trust who is also working on cultivating this quality. Look up to them and seek inspiration from their journey. Share ideas, support each other, and grow together. Remember, we can all learn and draw strength from one another. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey of self-reliance and personal empowerment. If you enjoyed this content and found it helpful, we would greatly appreciate your support. Please take a moment to hit the like button below and leave a comment sharing your thoughts and experiences. Don't forget to share this video with others who may benefit from it. And if you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, stay strong, stay inspired, and keep relying on yourself.